At the smallest scales, we can measure the universe, breaks the rules we take for granted. Imagine an object existing in multiple places at once. Picture two particles linked across vast distances communicating faster than light. This isn't science fiction. It is the experimentally verified reality of quantum mechanics. For decades, we have wrestled with its implications. Today, on October 12, 2025, the Nobel Committee has recognized a landmark experiment that finally and definitively slammed the door on our classical intuitions. Our journey into the quantum world began in the early 20th century. Physicists studying light, physicists studying atoms found things that made no sense. Energy seemed to come in discrete packets, or quanta. Particles like electrons behaved like waves, a cloud of probabilities. A radical departure from Newton's clockwork universe. The 1920s and 30s were defined by the debates between Einstein and Bohr. Bohr argued properties aren't real until measured. Superposition before observation. Einstein's EPR thought experiment introduced entanglement and spooky action. To understand the core, refine the coin analogy. Imagine pairs of quantum coins, entangled at birth. If Alice gets heads, Bob gets heads, instantly across the galaxy. Einstein's local realism, hidden instructions, no faster than light anything. Bohr, no plan. Superposition collapses at measurement. Spooky non-locality. Early on, both predicted perfect matches. Indistinguishable. Then John Bell found a way. Test patterns under different settings. Local realism must obey Bell's inequality. Quantum predicts violations. Philosophy became experiment. The question left the armchair. In the 70s and 80s, John Clauser and Alain Aspect used photons and polarizers. They violated Bell's inequality, matching quantum predictions. Nobel-worthy, yet skeptics flagged loopholes. Locality, too close. Freedom of choice, settings not truly random. Detection, missed events, bias data. Over decades, faster electronics, distant sites, and efficient sensors closed them one by one. By 2015, landmark tests closed major loopholes simultaneously. Strongest case yet against local realism. Still, room remained for a final, definitive, cosmic-scale confirmation. This brings us to the achievement honored with the 2025 Nobel Prize. A global collaboration led by Dr. Eris Thorne, Dr. Lena Petrova, and Dr. Kenji Tanaka. They designed the ultimate cosmologically airtight Bell test. Not earthbound randomness, but light from ancient quasars. Their photons began the journey billions of years ago, far beyond earthly influence. Two quasars in opposite directions. Entangled photons were created on Earth and beamed to two orbital satellites. The incoming quasar color set the measurement angles in real time. So far apart in sky and time, no conceivable coordination was possible within the age of the universe. Freedom of choice slammed shut. Space-like separation, nanosecond timing, no light-speed signal could pass. New detectors captured nearly every photon, no selection bias. Over a year, the data violated Bell by an unprecedented margin, over 20 standard deviations. Why does proving the universe is spooky matter beyond physics? The confirmed properties, superposition and entanglement, are resources. They underpin a new wave of technology reshaping our world. A bit is 0 or 1. A qubit can be 0, 1, or both at once. Entangling many qubits explores vast possibilities simultaneously, from new medicines to novel materials to breaking today's hardest codes. Quantum cryptography, eavesdropping disturbs entanglement, instantly detectable. Extreme sensitivity enables unprecedented sensing and timekeeping. Entanglement's reality validates technologies once deemed science fiction. This Nobel confirms the bedrock we'll build the 21st century upon. We are ushering in an era that harnesses reality's deepest secrets. This Nobel marks the end of a century-long argument and a beginning. We live in a deeply interconnected, non-local reality. We do not live in Einstein's universe. We live in Bohr's. With power comes responsibility, equity, ethics, and wise deployment. Public understanding must grow alongside the tech. Measurement, observers, emergence, profound questions remain. The end of one quest begins another. Keep questioning, keep testing. The universe has shown its strange self. It is our duty to keep looking, humbly,